Good morning all. Today we're gonna do some air filter change. We've got two air filters as my engine requires two of them. Before we're gonna change filters, let's have a look VCDS and let's have a look the airflow mass figures. Then we can compare the old one, which is the standard one, to the performance one KN filter. Why I'm using KN filter? Most likely is the filters are lifetime. You don't have to change anymore, you just clean up them and then stay for end of the life of this car. Then let's just crack on. Okay, then we've got VCDS. I believe is that figures what we're looking for. This is the actually how much kilograms per hour air going into the engine. Then on idle you see is 20 kg by H. Then let's rev till 1 second, let me show you revs as well, because right now we've got idle, we've got RPM here, and basically you can see it's around 20. Now let me rev till 2000 and let's have a look what sort of figures we're gonna get on 2000 RPM. Difficult to catch 2000, but let's say roughly we get around 50. And now what I'm gonna do for some test purpose, I'm gonna disconnect pipes completely from the air filters. Even now we have around 19. And we have a look at the figures without the air filters completely off. Now we're gonna remove first of those pipes. We're gonna check how much air is gonna go without the air filter itself, and then we're gonna install the performance filters, and then we can compare all the figures together. Okay, and this one is off. Let's go to the car. Okay, got again figures on idle, and let's do 2000 RPM. And look, for some reason we got 5 less than before. Let me grab up to actually 2000 almost. And we got less than pipe source connected. Let's change the air filters and let's have a look how it looks like with the filters. And what we have to do on this typical engine to remove filters, we have to remove this scatter panel here. Then we have 2 screws here, 2 screws there, and also 2 here and 2 there. Then this bar we're gonna disconnect. We have 2 pipes on the front of the engine bay. We're gonna slide this one a little bit. Actually we don't need to, sorry, that's my mistake. We can just unscrew a few bolts around and then the top cover is gonna come off. That's what we have to do. I see those pipes are connected to the bottom part of the filter housing. Then only we're gonna remove this if we need to clean up properly. We will see how it's gonna look like inside. If it's not enough you know, not a lot of debris inside. We're not gonna touch anything. We're just gonna use the compressed air and we're gonna remove what is there. Now, let's do it. Both filters are off. To be honest with you, once I bought a car almost a year ago, or no, more than a year ago, I didn't change filters. They was looking quite good. Obviously they dated in 2018, both of them. Yes, 2018, both of them. March, and possibly they was changed not that far ago, but obviously they need changing. Mostly when I'm buying a new car for myself, I always changing everything what is belongs to the, let's say, kind of main service, like oil filters, the gearbox oil filter as well. But this time what I did, I just removed this small skin here, foam, whatever you call this, and I just blow by air, because looks quite good. There wasn't much stuff on it, let's say, more likely like it's now. And this is after, let's say, year and a half, and not a lot of debris inside. They look, I would say, quite clean, but you can see it on my previous videos. I did 3-liter diesel, and the filter was proper clogged. Then this one, I would say, after a year, looks quite clean. You can compare that with 3-liter diesel one I did before. Okay, then what to do to change those filters is quite easy. What you have to do, there is a rotation mark on the filters, then we're going left turn and they should be released and pull off from the housing. Then let me attach the camera to the stand and I'm gonna show you how to do it. If you can't do it by hands, there is a 2 slots here. You can put some stuff inside and turn, but let's try by hands first of all. Okay, and that's how it is. Quite easy and simple. There's no tools needed for that. Well, look, this one don't really want to go. Okay, both of. What we're gonna do right now, I'm gonna use some compressed air to remove all this stuff which is here, and then we're gonna install our performance KN filters. Okay, time for our new filters. One here. I'm gonna do one each, and hopefully they will fit. And looks like they are fine. To be honest, one of it I received like a Christmas gift last Christmas time, and I tried buy the other one in UK several places, and that was unsuccessful. I did order 8 of them to several places and none of them arrived. And we got Jubilee clamp here. We have to attach to our original place. Okay, most likely like this. They're not going too deep. Hopefully size of the filter itself is exactly same like a genuine. And then we got number 8 on Jubilee clamp. Job done. Then let's try install this on place. That's how it looks like inside. Nice new filter. Hopefully everything is gonna fit without any problems. Okay. Yeah, all is fine. Now what we have to do, we just have to screw it in everything together. And let's say bank 1 is ready to go. Okay, we're gonna do the other one. Looks exactly same. They all prepare to be used. You don't have to do anything extra. Okay, now let's just tighten it up. Jubilee clips. Okay. job is complete. Now we can check our figures on VCDS. Quite easy to do, everyone can do it. There is no extra tools needed, special tools or whatever. The purpose I'm changing those filters is I like the idea they no need to be changed anymore. You just have to clean them on some sort of mileage or time and lubricate. That's how it is, that's how they are designed. And if they give you a bit more performance or not, to be honest, I don't mind, because this is the standard natural aspirated engine. It's not turbo engine, then I'm not really fighting for an extra bhp, PS or whatever you have. And I'm happy how it is. I like how it works. As I said, I like those filters mostly because they are lifetime. And let's have a look to the car, if the figures are changed or not. Now our figures, have a look. It's going to 17 on idle, 17.67. Before we got almost 20. I'm not sure exactly how it is, if it's less is better or more is better on this specific value. As you see, is an intake manifold with the air mass flow filtered value. And let's go to 2000 rpm. Oh, that's interesting. Let's go to 2000 rpm and let's have a look the figures on 2000. Difficult to catch 2000 exactly. As you see, it's around 44. Okay, now it's 43.6. It's not even 2000. But before was 50 something, isn't it? It sounds a little bit better, little bit deeper, I believe, from the front of the car, because the air has been sucked by engine, has a bigger value. But as I said, for me doesn't matter completely. I like the idea, the lifetime. Then check your figures, let me know how they are, and share this video with your friends. If that video helped you, you can put finger up, you can monetize. There is few other options to show you are happy to see it more, some more videos like this, and hopefully see you soon. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.